Yep, that's right. It's that time of year, guys.
Shit. I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot.
Time for me to have the opportunity to do my favorite full body exercise. If you haven't seen before, I'll tell you what it is right now. It's shoveling. That's right, shoveling snow. You're gonna feel it everywhere, dude. It's like constant, I guess it's kind of like deadlifting and kettlebelling at the same time. Like, people really don't think about it, but see, shovel. I got a metal shovel, so it's pretty heavy. I mean, it's not that heavy, but as you can see, there's quite a lot to shovel. So over time, this shovel will definitely become heavier and heavier. Yep. So I will see you guys another time. I'm about to go kill my back and probably not be able to sit down for the rest of the night. Fucking snow. I think I'm gonna be here all day.
Okay, so this is Erie, PA. I can't even walk. Like, it's too much snow. Oh my god, look at those mountains.
Making a lot of progress with the shovel. How
Yeah.
long have I been out here?
I think almost 2 hours
Yeah,
in
so-
total. Yeah.
This is how much you get done in 2 hours.
Oh guys, it's still snowing. Yeah.
It's coming. More's coming. So.
Oh
I'll
my
do the shit again
god.
tomorrow.
I can't even walk. Are you serious? Look.
Somebody give me some steroids.
Oh shit! I almost fell down. Oh my god. How are we supposed to leave the house? We can leave the house, right? Oh my god. Okay, this is better. But still. Okay, this is our backyard. Oh, I can't see anything. But oh, but it's not good. We can make some snowman. Oh my god, dude, look at our car. Are you serious? Where is the car?
Right there, you see it?
Oh my god. This is terrible. Where is the damn car? Why do you park there, dude? Oh my god. Okay, let's see. It's about how many inches do you think?
Jump in there.
No. I don't know. It's almost on my knee, right? Yeah. Oh my god. Where is the car, dude? Look at all this snow. It's almost in my hips. No, it's a little bit higher. I think it's on my waist.
Alright, so as you can obviously see, the sun is gone. I've been out here all day. See if you guys can see that. Got the driveway about paved out, but where's that? Can we get on the camera? Yeah, but my car is still deep inside, and yeah, fuck that. I think I'm done for today. I ain't getting that shit out today. I'm gonna go ahead, take this shovel and my excruciating back pain and my tighten up butt cheeks, go drink some tea, take a hot shower, and do this shit again tomorrow. And just pray that they shut down my job, because where's it? There it is. I really don't want to go to work tomorrow, but if I go to work, I go to work, you know? Gotta do what you gotta do.